Hi there, and thank you for checking out the Bettie English Private Eye Kickstarter. So this is a really great Kickstarter filled with tons of gripping enthralling books that you're going to love, because all of these are women asleep at private eye mysteries as they follow Bettie English and her team across the six intriguing books as they solve some of the UK's toughest and most perplexing cases. From blackmail to international crime to political corruption. There are so many cases that you're just going to love following Bettie about him. And this Kickstarter is filled with plenty of really great rewards. For example, there are tons of ebook, paperback, and hardback collections, not including all of the short story rewards. And then there is my personal favourite, the stretch goals, which allows you to get even more free stuff on the top of your pledges, including some mini interviews with me about how I wrote and actually created the Bettie books. So if you love gripping private eye mysteries, then don't miss out, and definitely back the project. You're going to love it.